I decorated our entire living room while I waited for you. You forgot my special day and came home very late tonight. I baked a fresh chocolate cake, but now it is cold. You should check the calendar every morning before leaving.
I truly apologize because I lost track of time at work.
You always forget important dates when you get busy.
I brought you some lovely flowers from the shop. But
Flowers cannot fix the fact that you missed dinner. We were supposed to celebrate together at 7 o'clock.
I will make it up to you if you give me a chance.
You said the exact same sentence last year on our anniversary.
I have prepared a special gift inside my pocket.
You cannot buy my forgiveness with simple tricks.
I pulled out a small velvet box from my pocket.
You think a shiny box can change my unhappy mood?
I opened the lid to reveal customized silver glasses.
You searched everywhere until you found those exact frames.
I ordered them custom engraved with our special wedding date.
You remembered my favorite style even though you forgot dinner. What?
I stayed late at store because engraver took extra time.
You could have called me so I would not worry.
My phone battery died while I waited at shop.
We should warm up our dinner before it gets ruined.
I will carry all dishes into kitchen right now.
You look very handsome when you try to help.
I brought fresh matchsticks so we can light candles.
You must strike the match very carefully near cake.
I ignited all 70 birthday candles successfully together.
You should make a big wish before blowing them. I wished for many more healthy years with you. We blew out all candles with one big breath. You turned my sad evening into a happy celebration. You turned my sad evening into...
I promised myself that I will never forget again. I promised myself that I will never forget.
You should write our anniversary on your kitchen calendar. I cut 2 generous slices of fresh cake.
You baked the sweetest cake in entire neighborhood.
I poured warm tea for both of us.
You always make tea exactly how I like it.
We sat down side by side after long, busy day.
I put on classical record music for soft atmosphere. I put on classical record music for soft atmosphere.
You know how to make me smile, even when upset.
I offered my hand for a gentle living room dance.
You step carefully so you do not trip over rug. We dance slowly in center of our cozy home.
I feel like the luckiest man in the whole world.
You are forgiven because your heart is always good.
I set digital alarms so I will never forget next year.
You are the most thoughtful husband, despite your silly mistakes. We will cherish this unforgettable evening forever together.
Happy birthday to my wonderful wife.
Hi everyone, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Click the button and hit the bell.